Okay, gusto yung ba? 6 to 9. Ayun. Sisingilin ko na si...
Nagkaulan niya.
Ha? 50.
Akala ko na set.
Ikaw, ha? Mahirap pag ikaw eh.
Wala na ako nagkautang sa'yo.
Okay, all 2 ah, all 2. Tama ba? Di pa naman ano eh, tatanong mo na lahat. Pag nakaano tayo, kahit 16. Nice bait. No good. Nakuha ni Kochi. Okay din doon. Dribbling the ball. First strike. Comes lang. Hoy! Grabe naman! Gusto pa ng may rebound? Abise. Fade away shot by Nico. Score all 4. Okay. Dribbling the ball. Rebound by Martin. Okay, may fall down. Wow. 2 points by Rafael. Score 4-6. Grabe, bumubuko sa ere. Nice steal, but no good. No good by Cersei. Okay, Martin to number 23, Baswell, no good. Number 7. No good by Lindon. Rebound by Pascual. Last 5 minutes. No good. Nakuha. Pumate. Rafael. No good. Rebound by Cersei M. Nice rebound. 8 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Nice pick. Pascual. No. Sayang. Sayang. 3 points by Lindon. Ayaw nang malapit. 7-6. Lamang na po ang team Lindon. 7-6 ha, 7-6. 7-6. Ang ganda naman nun. Lumayo pa. Okay, good yan, good yan, good yan, good. Good po yan. Napasarap ako ng panood doon. Kirby to Martin. Martin, oh, hindi nakita. Okay. 9-6. Three. Oh, nine. Nice pass. 11-9. Last 2 minutes, 14 seconds to shoot. 3. Mahaba pa oras, hindi pa po 1 minuto. Relax lang. Miko. Okay. Hindi na-anticipate yun. 2 points by Pascual. Score 11-14. Lamang kayo ng isa, Pascual. 1 minute, 8 seconds first half. "58 seconds, 14 to shoot. 58 seconds, 14 to shoot." Okay, Pascual. Paul muna. Tumawag eh. 45 seconds, 14 to shoot. Nicely. Hoy! Wala pa. Nakataas yung isang paa. Munti ka na. 2 seconds na lang yun, ha? Last 22 seconds. Shot clock lang po yun. Last 20 seconds. 15, 16. Last 14 seconds. Martin, diretso. Okay. 5.3 seconds. 5.3. 0.9 seconds. 0.9. Okay. Sino po yung una nakakuha ng bola?
Wala.
Kanila. O, change court dito, ha? Score 15-16. Lamang kayo ng isa. Anip na yan. Hindi nag-play. Good po yan, good. 1 minute 9 seconds, 14 to shoot. 24-31. Pito lang po yan, ha? 1 minute 9 seconds. Two points. 26-31. Nice reverse. 26-33. Three points. 29-33. Last 35 seconds. Apat lang po ang inahabol at no need to foul. Oy! 28 seconds. Apat lang po ha. Apat. Okay, dalawa na lang. 24 seconds. 24 seconds. Okay, same ball. 18.4 seconds. Okay, time out. 31-33. Wala na po ay time out. May dalawa pa kayo. 13.2. 13.2. 13. Okay, game ha? 13.2 seconds. 13.2 seconds. Nice! Oh. Okay. Foul daw, foul, foul. Foul muna daw kay CM.
Sabi ko, Paulin nila, hindi na ako. Free throw, free throw.
Okay, 2 free throws. 5.8 tapid. Wala na pong timeout yung kalaban nila. First shot, no good. Second shot by Sir CM. 5.8 ha, 5.8. Okay, foul. 2.9 seconds. Free throw, dalawa.
2.9.
2.9. Sinablay ang una. Okay. Eh, shoot ang pangalawa. Okay. Tatlo lang ha. 2.9 ha. 2.9. 2.9 ha. Ay, sandali. Wait lang. Wait. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Wala pa daw bayan.
Wait. Okay, game. Wala po tayong 5 seconds ha. Wala tayong 5 seconds yan. 2.9 ha. 2.9. Okay, foul muna. 0.8 seconds ha. 0.8. 2 free throws.
Sana ko na.
0.8 ha. 0.8. Buti na, pindot ko pa agad yun. Oh! Okay, 0.8. Himala na lang ang kailangan. Uy! 32-34.